¿Otra vez? Dime otra vez.
La casa de Pablo Escobar, donde él vivía. Antes, él se escapó por el patio y lo mataron en el otro lado.
Nateinyostate.
This journey takes place in the Envigado Mall, or Centro Viva Envigado, located in the town of Envigado that is southeast of Medellin, Colombia. Envigado in the past had recent history closely associated with Pablo Escobar and the Medellin cartel. However, nowadays within the town of Envigado, it does boast some of the lowest crime rates within the state of Antioquia. I will say, once you're in the town of Envigado, it does feel relatively safe. It might be a placebo because I'm not in Medellin, but I felt safe, especially with a giant mall here. Giant malls speak money. So here we're going to be hanging out with Sandra and a friend of hers.
¿Qué vas a comer?
Hold on.
Sandra wanted to treat me out to lunch and introduce me to her best friend, which I in turn decided to treat them out instead. We met on a bus ride towards Medellin. If you're wondering how we became acquainted, you can find that video right here. I was in the mood for seafood and we each ordered seafood dishes.
Yo, no mucho.
Mucha para mí, por favor. Me encanta pimiento. Sí. Got some creamy rice. I like it. Ah, es muy dulce. Okay. Me encanta. Este muy dulce. That muy sabor. I like the rice.
¿Cambiar?
No problema.
¿No?
Disfruta. Chicken is good too.
Yo lo voy a probar.
Go ahead. Sí. ¿Te gusta? Some good food.
Yo, after the tasty lunch, they offered to show me a piece of history. Said, look, Nate, we got to show you something. And I said, all right, cool, let's go.
Gracias.
Siempre está horneando mi abuela y la casa se llena del olor. En la cocina siempre su canto suena, pero lo único que falta que me encanta es canela como sabor. Ay, abuela, abuela, abuela. Ay, abuela.
Dime otra vez.
La casa de Pablo Escobar, donde él vivía. Antes, él se escapó por el patio y lo mataron en el otro lado. ¿Ok?
Oh, okay. Entiendo. So what you're saying is this is the house that Pablo Escobar was escaping. This is the roof where he was shot down. Esto. Oh, no, not this one. It's the next one because they said it's an abandoned house. So, yeah, she said it's an abandoned house. And what they also was telling me was that nobody wants to buy the property because they feel that it's haunted. Mira.
¿Qué?
No luz. Sí, despacio.
Me había mirado, yo también.
Sí. ¿Nada viven?
Creo que sí, acá.
No vale.
Esta.
Esta. Esta es Pablo. Sí, en esta.
No,
Eso, acá.
esta. Ok.
Oh, el patio muestran o voltea?
A la vuelta.
A la vuelta.
Ok.
Sí. So yeah. Acá. Esto patio. Sí. Wow. You learn something new every day. And this is the other side of the house.
La gente nunca lo compró. Nunca lo compró.
Okay. So they believe this roof, well, this building's haunted because Pablo Escobar died on the property and nobody wants it. He was in the hideout on the other side, and they say that when he was running over here, they eliminated him up here. And the reason why nobody wants to buy it is because they feel that he caused so much trouble in the city that they just feel that it's cursed. So nobody wants to buy it. See. So yeah, I'm just gonna take a picture, see how it was here. You know what I'm saying?